Hello. Hope everyone are good. Yes. Okay. Yesterday I told you to learn what? Little any sound. You all learn now? Yes, children. Every day you need to practice that one. Where it is? It is in your diary. Okay. With that, what you have to do every day? You should build up the good habits which will take you throughout your life. What are those? Early from the bed and early to bed. Right? Brush your teeth twice a day. Then wash your face, wash your eyes, nose, ears and all. All the body parts you have to wash when you are taking the bath. Then you have to take a glass of milk and every day you have to do the yoga. What is yoga? It's nothing but a small exercise. Right? Yes, no? Yes. Then what else? Where you can learn the yoga? Go to YouTube and type there the small exercise or yoga exercise for kids. You will come to know. Yes, no children? Yes. First we will go to revision of this week. What we learn? First one by one we will go to subject, okay? We will go to English. In this, what we learn? The alphabets. What are those? Yes. A, small a, B, small b, C, small c, D, small d, E, small e, F, small f, G, small g, H, small h, I, small I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. R. Yes. T. Okay. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Correct, no? This we learn, no? A, small a, B, small b, C, small c, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W and X. You learn all these things, right? With this, you learn the CVC words. CVC words. What is that CVC words? For example, CAT. Here, this is the oval and this is consonant and T is consonant. Like that, we'll go to pig. P-I-G. Here, I is oval and P and G is what? Consonant. Another example, bun. B-U-N. Bun. Here, U is oval and B and N is consonant. Correct now? This is CVC words. In most cases, the vowels will be in the middle and consonants will be in the end. Okay? Like this. There may be more than one vowels also. Those are called long words. These are all 3-letter words. Okay, children? You understood? Okay? Okay. Then, with this, yesterday we learned letter identification. What is that? Recognition. What is that letter recognition? Yes, this is nothing but recognizing the letter with the corresponding letter with opposite cases. Means if I show you the upper letter, you have to recognize the lower letter. Yes, no? That we did yesterday, no? Today, what we'll do? I will get the lower case. You should identify the upper case. Shall we? Shall we do? That is F, N, T, A, and the last may be S. Okay? These are what? Upper case. These are upper case or capital letter or big letters. I will write randomly, okay? The small letter like A, S, F, N, T. I have written the small letters here and there. Okay? Now we need to match this. How will you match? First one is letter F. The first one is letter F. Where is the small letter of the F? Tell me. This is the small letter? No. Is this small letter of F? No. Is this small letter of F? No. Is this small letter of F? Yes. We need to match. Yes, no? Yes. Next is big letter N. Big letter N. Where is the small letter N? Yes, it is in below. The third one is big letter T. Where is the small letter T? Tell me. Yes, it's there. Okay. Now A. Where is the small letter A? Where is the small letter A? Yes, it is here. The last one is yes. Where is the small letter yes? Yes. Like this you need to match. This is called the letter recognition. Okay. In this I will give one homework today regarding this. That is A to Z Z and circle, ovals. Okay. The second is you all have reading readiness. You all have reading readiness book. Reading readiness book you have now. That reading in that page number 2. Here they are given the small letters. You need to recognize the capital letters. Okay. Page number 2. Okay. This you have to do in reading readiness. Okay. You all understood now English. Now shall we move to EVS. Okay. Now we will move to EVS. It is general science. Okay. What we learn? My body. In that 5 sense organs. Okay. What are those 5 sense organs? First one is eyes. Eyes is what? Sense of sight. Sense of sight means eyes. Okay, eyes is sense of sight. We see with our eyes. Yes, no? On that day we did one small experiment. No, if we close our eyes, we can't see anything. Everything will be dark. So, what does that mean? Eyes is very important organ. Okay. Next, we will move to ears. This is sense of sound. Correct? This is sense of sound. Yes, we hear the sound with our ears. Correct, no? We hear the sound with our ears. Yes, on that day we did a small experiment, no? If you close your eyes and sit calmly, you can hear the sound which makes around you. Then, if you close tightly your ears, you can't hear the small, silent sounds you can't hear. Yes? Yes. The third one is nose. That is sense of smell. Yes, the smell which we smell, no? Our favorite dishes or any bad smell like stinking of socks or the smell of a flower like jasmine and all. Your favorite pizza, gobi and all, it is there, no? That smell you can smell through your nose. Yes, that is also an important organ. Yes, no children? That day I told you one experiment, no? If you want to smell something, that you need to keep that that source in front of your nose so that you can smell the things. Okay. The third one is, the fourth one is tongue. This is sight of favorite pulao or curry and all, you need to taste. That is, the taste buds are on the tongue. From that only we can taste the sour, sweet, spicy, all that things and all, bitter and all we can taste with our tongue. Right now children? That is the sight of taste. Okay? Then the last one is skin. That is sight of feel. Yes, no? I told you our body is covered with skin. Okay? So, the sense of feel. If you pinch like this, you can feel. If you tap like this, you can feel. All this will happen because of the skin. It is the sense organ, fifth sense organ, which is very important to us. Now, shall we go move again? The five sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the last one is skin. Okay? We will feel if anything happens to our skin. Example, we will feel very hot when we go to sun. We will feel very cold when we go to rain. Yes, no? Because of the skin, we will feel like the senses. Okay? Now, the homework is with this. What you have to do? You have to go through our Tell Me More book, page number 5. You need to revise the same thing. Okay, page number 5. What is there? Parts of other body. Already you have done one homework, no? You stick the same kind of picture and name the 5 sense organs in that. Yes, no, you all did know. With that, the 3 questions, the same conversation, you need to go through that. Okay? With that, the homework is you have that interleave. What is that interleave book? One side you have the plane. Here you will be having the plain sheet. Here you will be having the 4 lines in that book. Here you will be having the plain sheet. Here you will be having the 4 lines. In the plain sheet, what you have to do? You need to trace your hands like this. Okay, like this you need to trace your 2 hands. Okay. Okay, like this you need to trace your 2 hands in the plain sheet. Okay, in the opposite, what you have to write? I take care of my body. Yes, no? You have to take care of your body. Okay, the first one. Second one, I eat healthy food. Healthy food. Correct? Yes or no? You should eat healthy food. So that only will be very strong. Yes? Healthy food means what are those? Pizza, burger, that one, huh? No. That is healthy food means milk, then vegetable, fruits, egg, meat, etc. Pulses, cereals, those are our healthy food. Okay. The third one is what you have to write? I can name my body parts. Yes, what are those? Eyes, nose, ears, mouth, etc. You can name, no? If I show like this, you can name it is eyes. If I show like this organ is ears. If I show like this organ is nose. Like that you can name your faces, you can name the parts, right? Yes. These you have to write in the 4-line side. Okay? These you have to write in the 4-line side. Okay? You have to draw your 2 hands and color it. Okay? In the plain sheet, these you write in the 4-line side. 4-line side. Okay, this you write in the 4-line. This in plain. Okay, you all understood now? Only this is of EVS. Now we move to maths. Okay, now we are moving to maths. That is count and write. What is this? Yesterday we did one set counting and circle, like that only. This is count and write. I'll show some example. Okay, I have some birds here. Can you tell me how many birds are there? How many birds are there? Can you count with me? I'll show one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many birds are there? I have 5 birds. Okay? I have 5 birds. How many birds are there? There are 5 birds. I have another one object. Okay? I have some chocolates here. Shall we count how many chocolates are there? Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total how many chocolates are there? There are 4 chocolates. There are 4 chocolates. Like that I have some rings here. Okay? Here I have some rings. Can you see children? Shall we both count together the rings? Yes? Okay. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally I have how many rings? 9 rings. This is a counting and writing. Shall we do some experiments on the board? I'll give some examples. Okay? See, I am drawing some tree. Okay? count the objects and write the numbers. Yes, no? You'll do, no? Yes. I'm giving the homework for this. That is take your homework is maths workbook. Okay, maths workbook. You all have the maths workbook like this. In that page number, okay, page number 7. Here what you have to write? First you have to write your name, date, count and write. Count and write. For first they have given some ducklings here. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that you have to count and write the number. Second they have given some apron. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Anything you have to count and you have to write the number there. Okay, you all understood now? The last session is Hindi. Now shall we move to Hindi? Okay. This is your language class, second language class. First we taught for welcoming what you have to tell? Namaste. For thanks what you have to tell? Dhanyavad. Correct, no? Now shall we start from the alphabets in the Hindi? That is called the swaras. Okay. In that the first one is A. What is this? A. First letter is A. A say, what becomes A say? Anar. Okay, anar means pomegranate. Okay, you understood, no? A say anar. That is pomegranate. Okay, the second letter we learn only 2 letters today. The second one is A. The second one is A. A say Aam. A say Aam. Okay. Then
storage is running.
Yes. What we learned? A say anar. It means what? Pomegranate, dhalimbe. Right now? A say aam. Aam means mango. Okay? We write one figure or you try at home. Okay, you try at home. This is anar and this is A say aam. Aam. Aam you can write the small words R. R means what? Benki, fire. That is, again we will revise. A say anar. A say aam. Aam. These are all in the alphabets. Yes, no? Till now what we learned in Hindi? We learned if anyone comes, how will welcome? Namaste. If you want to tell thank you for them, how will tell? Dhanyavad. Then we will start with Hindi letters. Correct, no? That is A say amma. In that we will start words from for only 2. A say anar. A say aam. Correct, no? Yes? Yes. The homework is you all have Hindi practice book. In that you open the page with letter A. all for this week. We will meet tomorrow in the meet and greet session. Okay? Till then, take care. Okay? Keep all your doubts ready. Okay? See you.